Okay, so guys, let's look at this other question. So we're looking at a question on vectors coming from the 2023 paper 2. In the diagram, AO is equal to 2 vector A, AO is 2 vector A, AB is equal to vector B, AB is equal to vector B, OC is equal to 3 vector B, OC is 3 vector B, and then M is the midpoint of OB. So this M, so we're taught to say M is the midpoint of what? OB. So what implies, what this one implies is OM and MB, these two are equal. No wonder they have got these bars. Okay, meaning they are what? They are equal. M is the midpoint. Then we are taught to say express in terms of A and OB. Okay, so when they say express in terms of A and OB, meaning our answer should have a vector A and or vector what? B. Okay, now the first one is Roman numeral 1, OB. They want us to find the vector OB. Now, how do we move from O to B? From O to B. Okay, so you can move like this. From O to B, you can say O A plus A B. Okay, so Roman numeral 1, solutions. Okay, so Roman numeral 1, they want us to find the vector OB. Okay, so from O to B, we can move like this. O A plus A B plus A B. Okay, so O B is equal to, what is our OA? OA is 2 vector A. So 2 vector A plus, what is our AB? Our AB is vector B. Our AB is vector B. So this is our answer. Since these are unlike terms, we cannot add A and B. So this is our answer. Question Roman numeral 2. Roman numeral 2, they want us to find CB. CB. They want us to find CB. So how can we move from C to B? From C to B. CB. So from C to B, you can move like this. You can start from C. C O plus O B. C O plus O B. C O. C O, okay, plus O B plus O B. Okay, so CB is equal to, what is CO? CO it's negative 2 vector B, because this is OC. OC it's positive 3 vector B. Now this is CO. We are moving against the direction. Okay, the arrow is moving from O going to C, but in our case we are moving from C going to what? O. So we are going to have negative 3 vector B plus, what is OB? From O to B. This is our OB, take note. OB is equal to 2 vector A plus B. So where there is OB, since we know what our OB is, we just substitute. You just say 2 vector A plus vector B. Are we moving together, people? Okay. Now at this point, you realize these two are like terms. We have got a B, we have got a B. So we're going to group the like terms. Okay. So we can say C B is equal to negative 3 vector B plus vector B, then plus 2 vector A. Okay. So C B is equal to negative 3 vector B plus vector B, get negative 2 vector B plus 2 vector A. So you can start with a positive. Okay, starting with a positive, this one, we're going to say 2 vector A minus 2 vector B. So this is our answer. This is our CB. Let's look at the third one. So the third one, we are told to find AC. So from A to C. Okay, so how can we move from A to C? So from A to C, you can move like this: A, O plus O, C. A, O plus O, C. Okay, so Roman numeral 3. Roman numeral 3. Okay, so Roman numeral 3, they want us to find AC. AC. Okay, so how can you find AC? So we're saying AC is equal to AC is equal to AO plus OC plus OC. Okay, as simple as that. So we can now say, okay, this is what we want. Okay, so in this case we can move on and say AC is equal to, what is AO? What is AO? AO, we're moving against the direction. The direction is moving from O going to A, but as we're moving from A going to O, so we're going to have negative 2 vector A plus, what is OC? OC, we're moving in the correct direction. So OC is what? 3 vector B. So A, C is equal to, this one is very simple. What do? Just start with the positive and say 3 vector B minus 2 vector A. So this is our answer. Then let's look at now the last one. So the last one is what? They are saying what? The last one is CM. CM. So Roman numeral 4. You want us to find CM. CM. So CM. How can we move from C to M? Okay. So CM can move like this: CO plus OM. CO plus OM. Okay. CO plus OM. Okay. So we say CO plus OM. Okay. So we can say now CM is equal to, what is our CO? CO, we are moving against the direction, so we're going to have negative 3 vector B plus OM. OM is half of OB. OM, this is half of this distance. So OM is half, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 of OM. Okay, 1 over 2 of what? OB, I mean 1 over 2 of OB. Okay, 1 over 2 of OB. 1 over 2 of OB. Now do you have our OB? Do you have our OB? Let me just say 1 over 2 of OB. Okay, so it's a CM is equal to negative 3 vector B plus 1 over 2 of, do we have OB somewhere? OB? Yeah, OB we have. OB, it's 2 vector A plus vector B. So 2 vector A plus vector B. Okay? So we can say CM is equal to negative 3 vector B. Okay? Plus, you can now distribute, you can now multiply. So it's like you have a 1 here, it's like you have a 1 here. Okay, so 1 times 2 vector A gets 2 vector A over 2 times 1 you get 2. Okay, then 1 times vector b you get vector b, then 2 times 1 you get 2. Okay, so now at this point you can now group the like terms. Okay, so you can say now cm is equal to these are like terms, these are like terms, these are like terms. So you can say negative 3 vector b plus b over 2 plus 2 into 2, it's 1. So we're going to have vector a just. Okay, now at this point we can reduce this. Okay, you can simplify this one and say over 1. So we have c m is equal to lowest common denominator is what? It's 2. Okay, 2. 1 into 2, it's 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times negative 6 vector b. So 2 times negative 3 vector b gets negative 6 vector b. Okay, then plus 2 into 2, it's 1. 1 times b get b. Okay, then plus what? Plus vector a. So c m is equal to, okay, cm is equal to negative 6 vector b plus vector b get negative 5 vector b plus what? Vector a. So this is our answer. Or if you want, you can even start with a positive and say cm is equal to vector a minus 5 vector what? B. Okay, so this is the way you answer this question, guys. Okay, simple as that.